In this video, I'm going to walk you through the following instructions step by step to help you to create your first Google Ads campaign. First, you need to have a Google Ads account. Usually, I highly recommend you to use your Gmail account to log in and save your password because a Google account can have access to all of Google Ads products. And once if you log in, you will see this interface. Just click the Start Now button and it will drive you to another page. Okay, now as you can see here, because it's a new account, so you need to click the blue button, Create Your First Campaign, because it's a default setting by Google. So now let's get started. So now as you can see on the left side, there are 3 major steps in total to create your first campaign. So first step, you need to enter your business information you need and then link your accounts. The second step is to create your campaign. And then final step is to enter your payment details. Let's get started. Okay, so the first step is to add your business information. Tell us about your business. My business name is Summer, for example, Summer Digital, and my website is b2bexplore.com. A reminder that you need to contain HTTPS credential that to tell your customer, to tell Google that your site is safe. Next. Okay, also, it will also remind you to add some more information to save time during setup, like you can here to link your YouTube channel or other links accounts to more accounts. Okay, also, if you're not ready, you can to skip these steps to continue. And then you'll say, we have found Google, because I've already registered my Google Analytics account, so it have already automatically set up. Also, I suggest you can, these 2 options you can turn on. One is to import web metrics, and another one is to import Google Analytics. Audience is really convenient and useful. Later on, you will find. Also, you can skip and continue. So first of all, you need to choose your goal for this campaign. For B2B business, usually our goal is to drive leads as much as possible, right? So click the submit lead form. Next. So now here you can see, so many ad assets you should offer, right? So just what I mentioned before, if you're not ready, you just need to set your account only and create your new campaign later on. We can get back to the last step. Right down here, you'll see if you're not ready for a campaign, you can click this link. It means just set up an account only, and we'll go to the third step. So the last one is to confirm your account setting. The default is your billing country. If you're from United States and your time zone is, you can choose New York time or other cities or other locations. And your currency is default by US dollar. And let's continue. Okay, the last one is to confirm your account and payment settings by default. Okay, so now the last one is to add your payment method. There are 2 options. One is to add your credit card number, and another one is to add your bank account. It just depends on how depends on your preference. Like if you are from an organization, you can. I suggest you to choose this one to add bank account. Okay, so once you finished all of this information, just click the submit button and you'll go back to your Google Accounts dashboard. Okay, now let's get started to create our new campaign, search campaign. So up voice, this is a huge button you can create, you can click. This means create a new campaign. Okay, take a search, for example, you should choose your objective. For search an example, especially for B2B, you should choose the leads as the objective. And then use these conversion goals to improve your leads. Usually conversion goals covering submitting lead forms from your website, like sign up, download, or sending queries. And also you also include contact, click your email or call your phone numbers from after visitors see your phone numbers from your website. And also, can include contacts. Click your email means click your email. And then continue. Select a campaign type. Let's click search. Get started. Website. Enter your business website address, b2bexplore.com. Explore.com and continue. So now it's time to name your search campaign name. You can like leads search search campaign 5 and continue. Create a new campaign for finish a safe strap. Let's start new. Okay. So now it's about bidding and budget setting and the conversion. So what do you want to focus on? I would say for B2B business, especially for generating leads, it's better for you to focus on conversions, right? That works best for your goals. And then no need for customer acquisition. In the beginning, there's no need for you to bid for new customers only, just click. For a reminder, there are also another options like clicks, impression goals, or conversion value. I would suggest you to get started for max conversion and max clicks. Next. Okay, it's about networking setting. For starters, there is no need to pick Google Display Network. But if you have enough budget, you could pick Google Search Bar Network to recommend, because this is another as an option way to expand your searching network, right? To attracting more as much as possible, more traffic, search traffic, right, to your website. And then about location setting, enter another location like USA, and then choose include. So for location options, you should to choose presence or interest, people in regularly in or who've shown interest in your included or locations, right? For language, if your website only support English, you better start setting English only, right? And audience segment is a default setting. For search campaign, no need to focus on, take care of this. So let's get started about the broad match keywords. You should turn off use keywords match by menu. And more setting. For road rotation, usually it's default set to optimize prefer best performance. What does this mean? It means Google will use the powerful machine learning to help us to show the best performance ads. And for more settings, like you can also set up your ad schedule or decide when to end your date, when to end your date, and when to and on work day hours, like from 9 to 5. And more settings like compare. This is optional, no need to care. And next. So now let's focus on keyword and asset generation. This is for an AI tool for you to generate more related headlines or descriptions. Let's continue. Generate, or you can skip. So now it's about defining your final. First, you should enter some keywords like B2B digital marketing, B2B Google Ads, summer digital, and then final URL. Final URL means you want to drive your customer to visit your, after clicking yours, to drive your customer to visit the final URL, right? Okay, so the display as this will be used to suggest headline and description. So I will paste my homepage. Okay. So now you should to set the display path like Google Ads course. Okay, continue. As you can see here, Google automatically creates some headlines and ad description for you to generate it, and the ad strength is excellent. So if you don't if you think the headlines and the description doesn't require your leads, doesn't show your for service unique selling point or benefits, you can re-edit them later on. And about the sign links and call outs and more access tab. If you are not ready, you can skip them and done. And then click next one. So now it's about the most important part, budget setting, right? So as for daily budget setting suggestions, I could, for example, if you are a starter, you could start a small pieces for budget, like daily budget, like $10 or $100. Focus on or $100. For example, you better to set up your budget 10 times as your average cost per click. For example, if you want to beat your cost per click, beat your keywords about $10 a time, you can set up your budget about $100. That means it can help you to generate data. And after some data is generated, you can, according to your ads performance, to adjust to come back to re-edit the daily budget. I will set 100 RMB. Okay, next. So now finally, the last one step is to review, check your ad setting one by one. And final step to click publish campaign. Okay, let's get back to what we've created. Lead search 5. So you may asking where to edit the campaign settings. It's right down here, campaign setting. You can re-edit your location, your budget, your bidding strategy, your device, your locations, and marketing objective or leads or sales. Also, this one, conversion goals, we've settled by default, by account default. Also, we can choose specific one, right, for some specific campaign. And another quick summary is about you should to conduct the keyword research genuinely. Know how to find the most profitable keywords. Right. Also, you should to try to learn to use negative keywords efficiently. Focus on high intent. Let's see where and see this one. We can see the search keywords and negative keywords to create a keywords list. This one, and audience, see, and location, and ad schedule. All of these elements you want to re-edit, you can see here to modify, right? And last one is about consider long tail keywords as well, because as they may offer lower competition and higher conversion potential. So this is definitely a step-by-step instruction for beginner to create your first campaign.